Hello, this is Lisa. Welcome to my channel. I have long hair and my hair is always in tangles and it's just hard to brush it out. So I make my own detangler instead of buying the ones in the stores, and that way I know what's in it. So today I thought I would show you how I make mine. It's quite simple, just 3 ingredients. First is the apple cider vinegar. This helps flatten your surface and it actually helps reduce the frizz in your hair. And it's also a good conditioner. So what I do is I just basically put in 1.5 teaspoons. So I'm going to measure that. Of course, you'll need a funnel, which makes it a lot easier, and a spray bottle. And then here's the half. And then you just pour it in. Also, another ingredient that you'll need is lavender essential oils. This softens your hair, and it also helps condition your hair. This I put in 5 drops. Or you could put in a couple more. And then of course the last ingredient is the water. I use purified water or distilled because it's better. And then basically you just fill it up. I only fill mine up about halfway. And then you take out the funnel. And then you just take your cover and you put it on there. Now you can use it and you shake it. Now you can use this either on dry hair or after you wash your hair, and then you can put it on there and you leave it in. It's like a leave-in conditioner. But I usually use this when I have dry hair. So I thought I'd show you how I do it. So I have long hair. Really long hair. And so of course every night it does take a while. So what I do is I do this hair and then I just spray one side of the spray bottle, and then I just go like this, and then basically I just take my brush and then I start at the end and then I work my way up. Now today my hair actually isn't as knotty as it gets, but it's a lot easier to do it when I don't have so much rat's nest in my hair. And then basically, then I just go like this. And then of course I do the other side. And sometimes you may need a lot, and sometimes you don't. Usually this side gets more knots than the other side. Of course, I don't really know why. But just like that. Like I said, it's not as bad as it could get. I've had it worse, but it's taken me at least a half hour to get unknotted. So this is pretty good. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you want to see more videos in the future, hit the bell button. And please leave a comment below if you have any questions or anything like that. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.